Point and Shoot is the 8th episode and the mid-season premiere of the 6th season of Better Call Saul, the spin-off television series of Breaking Bad. It was written by Gordon Smith and directed by Vince Gilligan. The episode aired on July 11, 2022, on AMC and AMC+. In several countries outside of the United States and Canada, the episode premiered on Netflix the following day. A shoe in an ocean's waves washes onto a beach, and its mate lies on the nearby shore, covered in footprints towards the ocean. An open car door reveals classical music playing on the radio and a wallet and wedding ring on the dashboard. The car's vanity license plate, NAMAST3, shows it to be Howard Hamlin's green Jaguar XJ8. Following Howard's death at Jimmy McGill and Kim Wexler's apartment, Lalo Salamanca provides Jimmy an address and a description of a man and instructs Jimmy to drive there and shoot him. Jimmy convinces Lalo to send Kim, and afterwards Lalo interrogates Jimmy about his involvement in Nacho Varga's raid on his hacienda, ties Jimmy to a chair, gags him, and leaves. At Gus Fring's house, Mike Mantrod apprehends Kim at the front door. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.